Hi, welcome to Jurassic Corner.
Today we have this Lego Jurassic World Dilophosaurus ambush.
Yeah.
So this is for ages 6 to 12 and there are 248 pieces.
Guys.
So let's see. Guys! This includes Dilophosaurus and two guys. We have Gray and Aku. Is it Aku? And we're gonna build this Jeep. And ooh.
I'm gonna start
And you
with
can collect these other dinosaurs from their Jurassic World collection.
yeah, and also here, it also said Universal.
Yeah, it's a universal film.
Yeah, and also if you go,
Do we have also the gyrosphere?
and
Ooh,
also
where else are
guys,
we gonna make the gyrosphere?
guys, if you want to Universal, just take a video and enjoy to us.
Click the thumbs up button if you love Jurassic World. We love the movie.
Yeah,
And Liam and Taylor love dinosaurs.
yeah, and if you and click the thumb up button if you like Lego. Yeah, open it. Yeah, and I get ready. Open the.
Okay, let's put it out and let's put it together.
Just take.
So this is now our Jurassic World set that we've put together. We have the Dilophosaurus and the gyrosphere, and there's a man inside.
And we got the
our Jeep.
with the guy.
So the Jeep, we have the driver, and then this one
And
can open.
and also the one and baby you press over here just baby can fire it then we can fire the offer.
There's no fire, Aya. Hold on, let me see bottom first. And then we have this hook. We need to drag something, and we have our crate for our food, for our bait.
Yeah, I want that.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Are you scared, Taylor? Yeah? Here.